Hi everyone, I'm Mathushan, Product Marketing Manager at iGUIDE, and I've got a lot of new features to walk you through today. We've actually shipped a ton since the last episode, and one of these genuinely changes how you capture. That's what I'm saying for the end, so keep watching and let's get into it. Let's start with the tour itself, because a lot of this came straight from you. We've been taking your feedback and acting on it. We've adjusted panel sizing, reworked how the view behaves across different devices, smoothed out scrolling, and we're continuing to refine more based on what you tell us. So the result is going to be a cleaner, less cluttered tour that holds up whether your client is on a phone, tablet, or desktop. And on desktop, you can now move through the space using your keyboard. Use the arrow keys to travel room to room, look around right alongside your mouse. Quick way to get where you're going, and it makes your tour easier for everyone to explore. Next up, we've enhanced our tags. If you haven't used tags before, they're a simple way to add notes, photos, and context to specific spots in your iGUIDE, so anyone viewing your tours knows exactly what they're looking at. And we've made them a lot better this round. Tags are now easier to start using and quicker to place. All you gotta do, you drop one right where you want with a simple tap and hold, straight from the PLANIX app while you're still on site. The icons are smarter now too. As you name a tag, it suggests an icon to match. So water shutoff actually looks like a water shutoff. They're intuitive to read at a glance, both for you and anyone exploring the finished tour later. These icons carry through to your tour, your floor plan, and your tag report, so the whole thing just reads cleaner. Next up, a really popular addition, snapshot mode. And this is all about convenience. You can now pull still images right out of your iGUIDE straight from the portal, and no second trip needed to the property. All you have to do, line up the shot with the on-screen grid, set your framing, and capture. It drops right into your gallery, ready to download straight from the portal. Now remember, these aren't meant to replace your polished listing photos, but they're a fast and easy way to grab an image straight from the iGUIDE whenever you need one. Also, a couple of updates on how your work gets delivered. If you order a site plan with your iGUIDE, you don't have to wait for it anymore. Your iGUIDE delivers first on its normal timeline, and the site plan follows separately once it's ready. So your order, it keeps moving. And for anyone who likes to get hands-on, your floor plan SVG exports are now built for design tools like Illustrator. Walls, rooms, labels, dimensions, you name it, each of them come in their own layer, so you can rotate, restyle, and edit plans however you want. This next one is for the insurance and restoration crowd. If you work with Xactimate, we've actually added more to your ESX sketches at no additional cost. Again, at no additional cost. On the premium package, you'll now get more premium fixtures and appliances built right into your sketch. And we've added more outdoor items across both standard and premium, again, at no extra cost, so your sketch comes out more complete. And if you work with Instant Sketch, here's a big one, ESX Direct is now live. You can download your ESX files straight from the portal with no token workflow and no copy and paste. Open the portal, download the file, grab it, and you're done. Quick one on support, we've started to roll out a live chat. So when you need a hand, you can start to use this as an option to reach us in real time. To help get answers faster, chats will first be handled by an AI assistant. It can help search through our help resources and actually answer a lot of your questions instantly. Now, if you can't solve the issue, no problem. It'll connect you with a member of our support team right away. Same team you already know, now with a faster way to get help. Okay, the one I told you to stick around for, Real-Time Floor Plans Preview. This is the one I'm most excited for, and you should be too, because it changes what you know about the property before you leave. As you scan the PLANIX app, a preview of your floor plan starts to build out on your phone in real time. You watch the walls, the room, and the doorways appear as you go. It even shows you where it's confident and or where you may need a couple more scans. So you can catch a missed closet or a tricky corner while you're still standing in the room. This means you catch the problems on site and not a trip back. Fewer callbacks, more confidence, every single job, whether it's your first scan or your 1,000th. To get it, update your PLANIX app, sign in, and download the feature pack as soon as possible. It's rolling out on supported devices, and you can always switch it on or off anytime in the settings. Like I said, we've been working on a ton of new features. I know that's a lot for one episode, but guess what? There's a lot more on the way. Keep an eye on goiguide.com and the forum over the next couple of weeks for a fresh new look and some new things worth exploring. That's it for Beyond the Scans. Thanks for watching, and go capture something great.